Hello, welcome to our maths lesson. Today our learning objective is to know how to use the highest common factor, HCF, and lowest common multiple, LCM, to answer worded question. So before we begin, pause this video and attempt all 6 questions on retrieval process. And here are the answers. So I'll use the green pen to mark it out of 6. Pause this video and mark them with a green pen. If you have done all 6 of them right, well done. So today we are going to learn how to use the highest common factor and lowest common multiple to answer worded questions. We already know what are multiples and how to find lowest common multiple. We've learned about divisibility tests and factors and how to find the highest common factor. Today we will learn how to find unknown number if we know what their highest common factor and the lowest common multiple is. Example 1. Blue sweets come in packs of 5. Yellow sweets come in packs of 6. A new box of sweets is made using packs of blue and yellow sweets. There must be an equal number of each color in the box. Find the minimum possible number of sweets in the new pack. So this question is about lowest common multiple. So in each box I put packs of sweets, of blue and yellow sweets. I don't open the packs and I need to make sure that in each box there's the same number of blue sweets and yellow, and I need to find the minimum possible number. So that's the lowest common multiple. So to do that I need to find multiples of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I'll stop here. And now I will find multiples of 6. So it's our numbers from the 6 times tables. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Oh, I've got my lowest common multiple. It's 30. So the minimum possible number of sweets in the new pack is, well, 30 of blue and 30 of yellow. So it's 6 packs of blue and 5 packs of yellow. So it's 60 sweets altogether. Now, pause this video and attempt to read the question. This is exactly the same, just in here we are finding the lowest common multiple of 15 and 6, and it's again 30. If that's what you've got, well done. Success criteria. You need to know your multiplication tables. You need to list either the multiples of factors for the numbers and then find the largest number in the list of factors or find the smallest number in the list of multiples. Next example. One light flashes every 15 seconds. The second light flashes every 6 seconds, and the third light flashes every 12 seconds. They all flash at the same time. After how many seconds do all 3 lights flash at the same time again? So this is also lowest common multiple question. In here we've got every 15 seconds, 6 seconds and 12 seconds. So we need to find the lowest common multiple of these 3 numbers. So I will list multiples of 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105. Okay, let's see, maybe that will do. And multiples of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Okay, let me see multiples of 12. So it's 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60. Let me have a look. Okay, so 6 and 12. Okay, it looks like we've got quite a lot. We've got 12, 24, and 36. How about 12 and 15? Right, the lowest common multiple of 12 and 15 is 60. 60 is also the sixth multiple of 6. I have not continued this, but it would be 42, 48, 50, 54, and 60. So as we can see, 60, lowest common multiple of 15, 6, and 12 is 60. So after 60 seconds, all three lights flash at the same time again. Will flash at the same time again. Okay, now pause this video and in the similar way answer the we do question. So the lowest common multiple of 18, 6, and 9 is 18. So the next time that all three buses leave at the same time is 9:18 a.m. If that's what you've got, well done. Now pause this video and have a go at some practice exercises. Pause it for 10 minutes and answer as many as you can. And here are the answers. If you've got all 5 of them right, well done. And now we are going to move on to a little bit different kind of questions. In here we've got lowest common multiple and highest common factor of 2 numbers, and we need to find these numbers. So if the lowest common multiple of them is 24, that means that 24 is a multiple of these two numbers. That means that the numbers we are looking for must be factors of 24. So I will list all factors of 24. So it's 1 and 24, 2 and 12, 3 and 8, 4 and 6. 5 is not a factor. 6 is already on the list, so that's how I know I exhaust all the possibilities. So I've listed all factors of 24. So my two numbers will be 2 of these numbers because 24 is a multiple of these numbers only. Okay, now the highest common factor of these two numbers is 2. So I'm looking for two numbers that 2 is a factor of. So there are more than one possibility. It can be, for example, 2 and 24. Lowest common multiple 24, highest common factor is 2. So we pick numbers which only share factor of 2. So 2 and 24 is one of such pairs. Another one might be 6 and 8. Okay, so now pause this video and have a go at we do. So again, factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And now pick numbers, two numbers, which share only a factor of 4. So it will be 4 and 12. If that's what you have, well done. And let's have a look at example 2. A is a common factor of 12 and 15. B is a common multiple of 6 and 12. Work out the highest possible value of A over B. Okay, so first we need to find the common factors of 12 and 15. So factors of 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Yes, 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. We are done. Factors of 15. 1, not 2, 3, not 4, 5, 3 times 5, and 1 times 15. So it has two common factors, 1 and 3. So A can be either of those numbers. Now, B is a common multiple of 12 and 6. So in here we have more possibilities. So I'm going to change the color to a little bit darker blue. So multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60. Multiples of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Also in here we've got more than one multiple, so it's 12, 24, 36. So now, work out the highest possible value of this fraction. So A divided by B is the largest when A is as big as possible and B is as small as possible. So A would be the highest common factor of 12 and 15, which in this case is 3. So A equals 3. And B is the smallest number. So it's the lowest common multiple of 12 and 6, so it must be 12. So the highest possible value of A over B is 3 over 12, which can be simplified by dividing top and bottom by 3. So it's 1 over 4, which is a quarter. Okay, now pause this video and have a go at redo. Now, this question is very similar to what we've done in here. Again, A must be as big as possible, so it's 3, the highest common factor, and the lowest common multiple of 12 and 24 is 24. So the highest possible value of A over B is 3 over 24. Again, we can divide both of them by 3, so it's 1 over 8. If that's what you have, well done. Here are some practice exercises. Pause this video for about 10 minutes and attempt as many as you can. And here are the answers. If you have answered all of them and all of them are right, well done. This is all for today. Today we've learned how to use the highest common factor and lowest common multiple to answer worded questions. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and see you soon. Bye.